Another weekend of football action. We had the CAF Champions League group stages playing. We had the Betway League Premiership returning. This is what we are going to be unpacking today. Kaizer Chiefs played a 1-1 draw against Zamalek and Mamelodi Sundowns to a stalemate. It wasn't so expected with MC Alger. And guess what? Orlando Pirates is on top of the league. We are unpacking that today. And on my left, I've got Junior Kanye. On the right, I've got Uroi. Gents, how are you doing? Ngikrendwena?
Enhlanhla sitshebe kunjani sister?
Ngikrendwena?
Mnandi kakhulu.
Sure. So, gents, let's start. Friday, we had Mamelodi Sundowns playing against MC Alger, a much anticipated game, obviously because of the former coach of Mamelodi Sundowns, being Rulani Mukwena, was playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. We expected fireworks, but you still gave it to Sundowns to win. Unfortunately, it was a stalemate. Your thoughts on that?
Yeah, angeke ngize ngibe duel egameni kakhulu. Leya group leya dangerous kakhulu. One, Sundowns started this kuleya group by winning.
Yeah.
Yabo, winning away. Yabo, and I think it was home, not away. They won their game yabo. I think Kulmangi group stage first game they won. Second game they draw against Rulani. It was Sundowns against Rulani kuleya game, and Rulani lost his first game, and now we draw. Una 1.9 yabo their group I see is in fact Nhlanhla.
Yeah.
The tournament in Nhlanhla I see is we need to be realistic.
But Sundowns is on top of the group.
Mbonile.
And then MCLJ is number 3.
Yeah.
And then do you think
Zesco
Sundowns will actually...
Yeah,
Zesco.
Yeah, I mean, I always prefer Sundowns the experience. Those are international players. Yabo. But this season ngeke really one. Yabo. Now they are again number 2. Abagabi at their best. We need to be realistic. But slowly Bonabonuno, this guy Resinho, we see the best of them. Unentaba edada the spark. Yabo system team. Yabo mawufuna ukubadla labachita laba. You need to beat everyone. Yabo. Sundowns everywhere they play like it's like a home game. Yabo. They dominate the game without the to penetrate to Rulani. But the best way to defend is to hold the ball, keep the ball, and go right areas. Yeah, true. Bamncintile Rulani ball. Yes, we have a chance 1 or 2, but truly speaking, dlala low block. Dlala low block. Wabafaka space. I think he closed the space with Sundowns is in the middle. He forced Sundowns could buy wide. Angeke njengoba ngisho ngi-analyze that the group is very tough. So mina ngibona Sundowns all the way iyodlala ama-knockout stages. Yeah, true.
Zizo.
Ngibona mntwana. Njengoba sasho namhlanje kule game man azange ngibone match yabo. Azange kube le game besi expect ngoba besimazi ucoach uRulani ukuthi coach naye uthanda ukudlala neSundowns team ethanda ukudlala. So naye uzazi ukuthi iSundowns and I think nama results we first game ama-affectile because ukuthi aluze man kumlethe kule game le under pressure bonine bekunjani nalapha abantu bazomsupporta makaluza futhi lapha bekuzoba yenye inkinga. So uyazi Sundowns ukuthi ipossess danger kanjani. So I think into ayibonile uyadecide ukuthi yazini athi ngibalande ngelo block ukuze bangakhona ungipenetrate because if ungacheck iSundowns akusi team ongayiphaphela ngepressing because bapossessa uRonwen is not ukuthi the best keeper because uyabamba mongomcheck uyiweapon for bona shoot maba in position maba build up ngayo Rowan ubayenza ukuthi kube 11 versus 10 because shoot dangerous comfortable ebholweni. Yeah, but I think into affects le game kakhulu yilokuthi uRulana angatholi ama point ku first game. Yeah.
So do you think Rulani might come back and also push through and go to the knockout stages?
Yeah, it's possible. It's possible ngoba yabona namhlanje into kumele ibheke neSundowns nayo yabona phela nalabo abaye-FC Limpopo nabo mabale Lumbashi kuzoba difficult ukuthi le group it's a difficult group ngoba kusazoba nama away games.
Yeah.
iLimpopo unganyathi ngoba siyabazi labantu eKhungu especially yazi bane record la eKhungu sabonile before ngabo TP Mazembe into ezenzeka lapha. So but Sundowns into ngibona ngayo ukuthi bazo progress even if they are not playing good football, but Sundowns is a strong team and they have experience nabo ukudlala iChampions League.
Yeah. And then an inexperienced, not so comfortable Kaizer Chiefs played again. And you both predicted Guti Zamalek might actually beat them. Unfortunately, they didn't. Kaizer Chiefs managed to equalize at a very late stage of the game and saw that you know what, they can push somewhere, but unfortunately they are number 3 on that group stage. Do you think they have what it takes to actually pull through and pull a miracle to go through to the knockout stages?
Into engingayisho Nhlanhla man nge-Chiefs ne i-Chiefs man manje iyadlala kule cup, because if unga-check nalapha ama-player abanawo, ama-player adlalile i-Champions League, mhlambe there's only 3 players or 4 players abadlali or 5, you understand. So in terms of experience kulama player adlalayo manje kuzoba nzima manje, because if you don't win ama-home games away kuba nzima kakhulu Nhlanhla ku-Champions League, you understand. So i-Chiefs man manje iyastruggle yona, singamane but bastruggle, because you can see ne-coach yakhona man, labantu ababanikele job ukuthi nabo man ungathi basacontinue ngalento kanabo, angeke uhambise umuntu ushiye abantu abeze nabo labo ubashiyile amacede ufuna ukuba ne-continuity right, you understand. So for me I think i-coach kumele bayichintshe manje. It's high time manje ukuthi kumele bachintshe i-coach and bangamoshi isikhathi. uJanuwari useduze manje, basayine nama-player anyabutshana, they have to go basayina ama-player experience njengabo uMagalo, Keletso Magalo, ama-player kumele bawathole, abantu abazokhompitha wona Nhlanhla, abantu abazowazi ukuthi leya badge iminishe ukuthini. Phela uyabona ukudliwa kwaleya club ukuthi i-South Africa kuba njani. What awuthi
Wonke umuntu unjani.
umuntu
Hayibo.
Nhlanhla.
Aye. Okay, now you spoke about something that's quite valid. Uthi Kaizer Chiefs must get a coach. Junior, I'll come back to you with regards to the Kaizer Chiefs game, but there's a rumor mill that's doing rounds. But Jose Rivero might be the next Kaizer Chiefs coach. Have you guys heard anything about it? Is it true or not?
Into engibonile mina ngibone nje ama-video nje, angazi uRivero no-Jessica, angazi beva kuphi nje, nje ngibone nje ama-video nje namancane nje, so angeke wazi, anything is possible.
Would it be a good thing?
Anything, it should be a good thing, because uRivero now like uziprovile like ku-South African football, because yabona mulanda umuntu okhe wacoach one-experience like ukumanager a-big team like i-Pirates. I think into ekumele bamenzele yona, they must sign players for him. Into important because noma ungalanda noma ubani, if you don't sign good players ekugcineni kuzoba so.
Okay. All right, Thabo. Do you know anything about it?
No, bengazi ngibone nje ama-clip, but mina
Cabangani wena?
yeah.
What's your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, I thought they will go for Pitso Msimane. Lapha sekufuneka umuntu very arrogant who knows his job, very experienced person. Umuntu oke win i-Champions League. We're not talking about the Betway Premiership or trophies versus South Africa.
Yeah.
A person will go international. It Chiefs is a big team. Everything is there. Mfethi khona sikhuluma ngama resources. They are playing one of the beautiful stadiums, sikhuluma ngase FNB carpet. Training ngama facilities uzwile abo this guy Abu Kaluma beza so Naturena. Even I was shocked. He never expected. So kunama expectation from players. So kufuneka umuntu njengopitso ozokwazi batshela ukuthi yes, if you guys want us to win, also to maintain kube ne continuity, you need to sign players. Some players sicela kumele sibavayise la. I don't think they're good enough to represent the bench, because you guys have been trying with this same type of players, changing coaches, and then ayisebenzanga. So Jose Rivero was provide one of the best exciting Spenite coach. Yalazi bola, especially is giving youngsters a chance, and there was mixed experience nama youngsters. But HIV yakhe naye, I will be realistic and honest. He never won the Champions League. And the question is, unama guts, unama balls ukuthi izgo ngikhuluma nge-character. Actually management e-Kaizer Chiefs with okay sharp. You guys niyabona nchintsha ama coaches. Ningena iconsider indaba yokusayina quality players. Yabo? And then abatshela ukuthi ngicela before manje nginika le span. Ngicela about 12 or 13 players. Or 11 players. Ngoba right to my case, Chiefs need to sign players. We like it or not. Mdlandla, you need to break a bank account. If it's Sundowns, it was Iludilando Mkwena at 20 meter. Big benefit is national and Sundowns. We talk about that boy is a captain. Liamfana, we everything for South African football. He's more of a face of defensive midfield was a South Africa wonk. And the breaker Uronan Williams, we are nominated for Palando. In our results, if we don't settle for less for quality is so expensive, just go. So Uchoze Agana, I don't think Uzobana this thing with Tabanande. Very good coach, make no mistake. But I don't think we'll coach management at Kaizer Chiefs. Good about the double Kevin Johnson. yabo uthola ukuthi identi reputation yakho iyaya lapha ucede nesizini usayine 2 years and then ama-team azosaba ukusondela ngoba i-Chiefs into engiyibonile mina ngibona nange-starting 11 sabo from now Serino akadlali ngikhuluma ku-Betway Premier one of the best talent angi-understand experience and best udlala i-Champions League won it Champions League won league title many times istar lesa why is not playing a-Chiefs because uSerino a fit Serino noma ngabe una 32 33 is better than yonke lama-check abanawo sikhuluma nange-experience kunumber 10 now umcala ngale game surprising ku-Betway Premiership unokuhlala 90 ama-game a-1 or 2 minutes umfake kunama-expectation that's why ngithi ama-coach I don't think is them and also Dupree is fine I'm very surprised away is play now sustanding not even on the bench kule game leyana lama-coach ayi-2 lawa bababeke lapha labajita just ukuthi ba-translate those are not coaches those are just uku-honor ama-fixtures I don't think they are so i-Chiefs into enginotisile technical team management bafuna umuntu abazomtshela what to do so now yiko ngithi mina Pitso I love uJose Rivero I mean nami bangithi I love ungiprovile nami bengimdoubt but he has proved me he took out the best out of these kids but iqiniso nhlanhla ukuthi they need umuntu onje uPitso is a free agent mfethu just sign let alone ukuthi please
affordability
banenyoko yonke Chiefs ngiyezwa abantu they can say whatever they want Chiefs they've got money yeah just that I don't think bafuna ukuyispanisa.
So something that's been raised, Uguti, if you spend so much money, right, the returns also need to make sense. So Mao Tata ama calculations where Wama League and all the competitions locally, right? Would it make sense for them to buy a player 25 million when all the competitions, including the league, will not surface that particular player? Does that make business sense?
Mangabi chairman has got money and he want to invest in football. He want players after football banga struggle. Phela bo uNkulunkulu angixolela kusudi ngiyamkhulumela yabo. He can't be doing this for more than 10 years. Phela I think he took over 2001, 2002 the president. He's been ufuna umuntu abe happy. He invested in football. And ebheke is the FIFA president now. I understand the business sense, but the thing is I'm affected. I don't think I'm affected.
Yeah, I'm affected. Now you're talking about Kaizer Chiefs, right? And much as yes, we team in Mali and whatnot, like what is the relationship that they have with the money and their belief in the type of players that they want to have? Because we're including Abu Chabu and all the other players, Nana Abu Michael, you guys were youngsters, right? Abakulele lapaya, and there was not much money. I'm not saying they didn't break the bank so that they have you guys. They were developing players. Kaizer Chiefs is known as a team. Etata ama young stars. Ebakruma bakula lapaya. So now what you're asking them to do now is to go and spend money to actually bring in the quality. Why are we not taking equality corner from the NTC to actually come up with them?
If you bring Farouk Khan, it's so expensive. You like it or not? He has proved himself. One of the best coach who took many who produced the top class players abroad in Europe at the early age. Produced several players at development at Chiefs. They don't settle for less. Abu Farouk Bazofuna, if you bring him at Chiefs, there must be a clubhouse. Players abahlala clubhouse, uyazuma they mele by in the way clubhouse. Secondly, all the coaches good development they must be brought by Farouk Khan. The philosophy has to be same.
Yes.
And it's a mix of senior players and first quality senior players. Phela bo shoes bengeke ubadelele masikhuluma iqiniso. As much as ukhuluma nhlanhla ukuthi is known as producing superstars. Shoes those were high profile players. Angeke sisho ukuthi how much weni abothabo uMoki.
Right.
Tinashini ngomashe Mabedi. Bekuyi mix of experience and so bo Brian Baloyi, Jabulani Mendu, Colin Besum to bring those players. I could be bangayispend imali.
Yeah.
But they were spending money ngama-player like quality players and experience mixing so namanje angisho ukuthi baspende yonke imali because ne-Pirates yenzile ukuthi it's talent education it's like ukusebenzisa imali ebantwini abaright ngoba ne-Sundowns yenze kanjalo by bringing uPitso kungukuthi bebaspende imali yonke all these years and then yethu ukuthi ayimarinate yonke lento you spend money but kahle but truly speaking is you like it or not i-Pirates by them getting other players there to break accounts. We must call me VAR. Noma ngabe sithi yes kunama player bawabringile. Le ntwana they was surrounding. It's a mixed experience and they broke their accounts now.
So you're saying Chiefs is the only one that's consistently refusing to break their account so that they get the win that they deserve?
How many free agents they sign? How many years they've been signing free agents? How Michael Uzwe?
Michael,
Hayi, Nhlanhla le inzima ngoba uyabona nalento yokuspenda nayo lapho kukhulumela enye effect yabo mara but ekugcineni club efana ne-Chiefs they know not making money through ama-cups nani ekugcineni. It's a big team i-Chiefs kunama-sponsors lapha ngikhona. Understand? So kule ngeke sithi ngoba ekugcineni mo investor ngisho let's say uthenga nama-player asithi thenga ama-player 20 season.
Yeah.
Or ayadura each and every season, understand? Because le nto yazimoshakala kubona Nhlanhla when we don't have a quality team and quality players ne, even we can promote some youngsters and Ntswembu kanjani yabona urile mfuke uNtswembu kanjani if you can go to Chiefs still uzostruggle because yazwa ngisho kanjani ne njengowabuvilakazi but ba struggle, they are not like good ba struggle abalazi ibhola. Ufika i-team njenge Chiefs i-team under pressure, like they are under pressure ukuthi kumele bayenzeni ba produce ama results. Yabo uma udlala i-team inewinayo kumnani ngoba ungena nje uyazi-enjoy, but you are coming to a team ayiwini ayenzi next, even uma ungapromote ama-player ingakho izowabulala lento leyo. So I need i-balance lento leyo. Uyabona bonkotha abafike kanjani ku-Pirates from promotion but when the team is winning and uJose abo-Ray abombokazi mabafika bafike bafitha kamnandi, you understand? So uma ufika i-team idliwa, the more idliwa i-team kune more khulunywa ngala maklapa amakhulu Nhlanhla kusazokhulunywa kakhulu, but bona into engishoyo nabo they need to ukuthi balande vele i-coach ezoba namagazi ukuthi batshele ukuthi mina ngifuna these players, understand? Because akhona amanye ama-player njengale right back le ye-Polokwane City, that guy uMathwidi is a good player naye. That guy they can sign him. Keletso Magalo ukhona available, understand? Those are the players nabo bawonile. As a big team you must have big players also.
so the big players don't have to be produced by the team. They can go and outsource.
Yeah,
That's what you say. Okay, Michael, ngiphe amagama 3. If you were to maybe help Kaizer Chiefs balance the current squad that they have to ensure, give them a chance to win at least something before the end of the season,
No.
what would that be? Which
Kuleyo-
are those players?
kuleyo Nhlanhla ngeke ngisho ukuthi bangasayina ubani, understand? But mase sikhuluma ngani, sikhuluma njengabheka njenge-Pirates waPolice bekadlalela iPolokwane City, adlalela iBafana. You need those players abanjalo ukuthi nanoma bangathi player but wazi ukuthi even if noma you invest, I know ukuthi this boy is a quality player. You don't awuletha umuntu for the sake ukuthi ngingaletha ubani, because nabo ungamlanda manje uKeletso ulande enye icoach engabelieveli kuKeletso, what's gonna happen? You understand? So you need ukuthi nawo mo sign, you must sign quality players ukuze bazokhona ukuthi nabo bakusize, understand? Akhona ama-player man, nethi nje abantu ayadura, akhona ama-player
Abobani so?
akhona ngisho ngiyabasho nanga kuMathwidi ukhona the right back yelontuza nanga abanceda luyamjida luya man, ngimbukelile luyamjida
Yeah.
uNtswemu kakhulu Nhlanhla naye, you understand? So yinto kumele bayilethe nabo, they must bring ama-players ulethe stability ukuthi bazokwazi ukubachubekele phambili. Ngaphandle kwaloko Nhlanhla basazostruggle.
So inkinga yabo, it's basically the players as well as the coaching. Because now you're mentioning ukuthi i-coach iyafuneka, you're also mentioning ukuthi quality players is also needed. So basically inkinga I-Chiefs right now is getting the right coach and getting the right players with the right coach.
Nhlanhla is against the example, all the best coaches in the world, all of them abafika ku-new teams, they spend a lot of money.
Yeah.
You can check noma Pep Guardiola makafika ku-Man City, first thing ayenza wacosha ugoalkeeper uJoata number 1 ku-England wamfaka indlela because uza nento abelivela kiyo ukuthi yanizomsutha as a coach. That's why afuna ukuza nama-player wakhe azodlala same thing yenzeka njengo-coach Rulani le akakasayini like ama-player yena azosutha le style sakhe sokudlala. That's why ukuthi sometimes kumele u-adjust uma-coach ufike ethimini ngalama-player so mangabe ifilosofi yakho ujwayele ukudlala ngeke ufike ethimini ubona abantu ukuthi abakwazi ukudlala mara ufuna ukubadlalisa ngenkani. You understand? So ezinye zezinto lezi uma uyi-coach kumele uzi-understand because uzofika ethimini thola abantu bazigcinela wena ufuna ukubadlalisa ibhola phela nalento etikitaka ifuna abantu abanoshukela, ifuna abantu abamnandi Nhlanhla.
Yeah.
So akusona noma ubani ongavele yayiyenza lento le, so ifuna ibalance lento.
Mina ngifuna ukuphikisa Junior, wena ngicela ungiphendule. Uwadu uze athole i-material ikhona. uKadoso ku-Sundowns uthole something libe likhona, but they still managed to make it work with what was there. So nithi inkinga ye-Chiefs ama-coach ama-player.
Pirates
Sundowns ne-Pirates, That has
There was
not
no
been the
distance
case.
between Pirates and Sundowns, if you can be realistic.
Sure.
Like seeing that namhlanje. There was not much distance. Pirates they were sitting number one spot, position 1 ngikhuluma last season. Pirates mfethu asikhulume le past 5 years. Talent identification at Pirates. Khuluma nge-DDC team yabo always competing for number 1 spot. The type of football ngikhuluma nge-philosophy is not a different match, ngikhuluma different. Asikhulume ngepelepele le team yabo, mina ngifene development. The Pirates ngikhuluma ngo-Braston since he was there. Khona lento abathi philosophy. They sign players according to njengoba Michael asho. Players suited the style of play of as a team. Very dynamic, explosive players, skillful. Who can score goals as well.
Yeah.
They don't just sit down and say sign one band and done. But sign umuntu. The list goes. I can go back. Like they don't just bring players as of figure up at numbers and then they see 37. Season yaphela those 7 players ababina ku 18. They just ping them injury free. They don't do that at Orlando Pirates. Yes, some mistake in my team. So the Pirates and Sundowns there was not much different. Ubeka another season last minute Sundowns they were happy I think getting my points. But we should point la mile into ngitshela ukuthi but there was a structure at Orlando Pirates. There was a structure. Jose Rivero uthole kune structure. Jose Rivero ufike kwaba ne continuity. It's like lento engisho ngowadi mabathi kimi unzima wadi ukuphendula. Ngithi yes ngisafuna ukumbona. I saw you winning games from the bench ya ngimshayela izandla. Uyayithola iTeam inzima icoach ifike yenzima esaba. Yenza mess. Ihlanganisa salad necake amacanda thola ukuthi kuyababa kuyakumnika usweet. So
Sure.
uthola structure. Jose Rivero nwadu. Also uKadoso Pitso late structure no Rulani uthole the structure no Rulani wa continue. So that's why sibona ngathi namanje sim question uKadoso ukuthi why because of sibonile quality yamhlula because there's players at Sundowns but he's failing to produce the best out of Lead. They've been struggling since Ernest Mendido took over, which is 2006. Manje the structure was broken when he let go skillful players, talented top. David Mathebula, Emmanuel Skarangobese, Gerrit Skalvik. He let top class players, Abo Spencer. And then now the philosophers study second poly program about Tekom Teoto. So funukala ngama track manje. Yabo the philosophy has changed. Any coach Maiza izofuna ukusana new players. The question is the team izokwazi ukuspenda na. Njengoba Michael asho. So inkinga abayicalanga izola icalanga last week 2006 when Ted left. I win a 2 league title we won 2 league title with Ted. And then he left. Skillful team, exciting to watch. We let go Ted to have our resign. I'm leaving. Pretty coach, I believe kuma ball players. Vele uzoleta matrack. Lo uzoteka over uzofuna ukusayina a new team. Yabo ngoba philosophy. Naye makaqhubeka kuyi abo Solinas, abo and then vele continuity kuze abo Stuart Bucks to win ngabantu abana 32 years. Korama defend top goal scorer uThawa lapha nomashame iskele. Yabo. So inkinga yabayicalanga izolo. So the structure is yiko ngithi mina always mention indaba structure is broken. They need to go back. I said but spend right to Michael 20 players. Spend for Pitso. A top class spender for
I'm advocating you.
he won everything. He's out of Berger. Why he has many charges?
I hear you.
Why
but
go-
my question is if they spent on Pitso must come and fix the problem that they have. Because Imali Pizza's overcharger. No, Pizza's not a cheap player, coach. He's not a cheap coach. Like he won't come cheap.
Umzulu Michael Uchen.
He was
Upitso uthole kunabo neskens ku Sundowns.
yeah.
Steshkov,
Maqeda ukuhamba, yeah.
Michelle, Trot Muloto, no Tetu Coachile. The list goes on. He came there and sit down. First season almost got relegated. Nabu Pitans of Esrom Nyandoros Kumangengwen. Uchemaga we second season he won the league. Because I need 3 years. Third he won the league. And then Magasuga what no mina chairman yaxolisa lona not in a between early age akube ne continuity. And then development players they will mix abo Promise Mkhuma, Keletso Magalo, Madisha introduced mixed experience. So Nhlanhla not in a between. There are muntu uzo create a structure for a long noma hamba. Expensive but kuzoba ne continuity.
Should he then not be a consultant, then help them build that structure?
Head coach and Faruk Khan ngisasho noma bangayibalekela lo madala unzima lo Khan manje kunentwana uGumutsu KG esayine kulezi Fluminense from Stars of Africa uproducer boluta sing alaba mfethu inhlanhla leyo baba wrong noma Chiefs for development structure ukuthi maba bring upitso baba kube na that link. Now they need to bring Pitso uzobatshela ukuthi where to go. Mina that's my advice ngoba manje hayi i-off-ramp bathe left off-ramp and then another off-ramp ilimaza abantu man like inhliziyo yeah. Honestly serious.
Okay. Asiphumeni ke ku-CAF completely. Let's come back to the Betway Premiership. Something exciting in football is happening for the first time in a very long time. The gap from number 1 and number 2 is very healthy. Because by this time, Eligini, beslezi sibona team A1, ishiya number 2, ngaboma 10, 12 points this time of this stage of the league. But right now, something drastic has happened. The shift has changed. Orlando Pirates is sitting on top. And with them sitting on top, what does that mean for football holistically? Because for like nations, guys, besoku obvious, you know, okay, this is what's going to happen. Sesiyaz, okay, league yapi. The league is almost decided this stage of the tournament of the league. But right now, Orlando Pirates has done the unthinkable, deservedly so. They are sitting on top with
Yadle mnyama.
Yadle Mnyama.
Yadle mnyama basho kanje bathi yadle mnyama. Kanhlanhla labantu basukaphi labantu nhlanhla. Mabaqala league labantu ubonile badliwe ama game engakhi. Badliwe 2 games,
Yeah.
sure one. It's 2.
2 games, yeah.
Actually sesiqala umblame
Ucoach uthi ufunani wenzani.
Ivar lihle nhlanhla. That guy so far.
Yeah.
Ayi manager kamnandi leya team. Everybody is happy nhlanhla.
Yeah.
Uyibonile ibench mabaveza leya bench
Yes.
Yeah.
I think last season into uJose ashote ngayo. It was that to have a strong bench in order ukuthi uwine league. Sometimes bekushanga lento leyo.
Yeah.
Phela bheka ikwazi ukuthi uyodlala ichair bedlala le iCAF ibuye ebusuku bathi abayi lo ntuza bowujima. I remember ngorulana they once ba train ebusuku bane game le full day abuya le so bebanceda ngane lento leyo bane depth. Yabona manje Pirates awazi kuyodlala bani nhlanhla. Manje mabathi Pirates iyadlala weekend sonke asazi ukuthi kuzocala bani.
Yeah.
So bona i-starting lineup masesibizwa lapha
Nhlanhla bheka kwapolice ushisa kanjani akaqali.
akaqali.
Kusesenabo Van Rooyen nhlanhla.
Yeah.
Kusesenabo Mbuthuma nhlanhla. Sikhuluma manje ngabantu esithi yazi le club man muyibukela nawo man uyajabula. Bheka lamagoli abawukore weekend.
Yeah.
I think in a long time Sundowns into beshanga lama team iyo leyo. Because last year uJose uzamile kwi challenge. But ibonisile ukuthi without depth ane win down. But this season imagine nhlanhla kusabuya bolisa nda.
Baningi.
Yo, ayazi ngikhuluma ngale club this season.
Yeah.
Akufani na last season.
Nhlanhla.
Last season, yes, they were doing well. But like it's like a aha moment every weekend. Sonke siyamangalithi, nale. But there's been a consistency of goal scorers. Whether they start in the game or they're coming in as a substitute.
Yeah.
Ngwana Sesi, at any given point, Evidence Makgopa comes in, he shows up and tries to get the back of the net. We also saw the return, like Ubuile, and he even got man of the match, Urile. Like Ubuile changed the game, they were playing interesting game. We're not going to talk much really about the game, but I want to understand where they are right now, and Noguti, as things stand, Mawubhekile or Manbhekile no bangaphelelaphi, but give me your thoughts on the consistency of goals that we are seeing and just the enterprising football that we are watching.
I think compliment uNkosana Khoza, Mpumi Khoza, the director, Dr. Ivan Khoza, for investing in the team because coach can say, or coach can come and say, they break account for a police and well done to Orlando Pirates. Also, Lomfana Osiema, Murimi as well.
Yeah.
They hardly sign free agent players. Not to say I welcome free agent players. Sipombule giving them a lifeline. A lifeline. And well done for Orlando Pirates for that. And Njoba Shilu Michael has adapted to Orlando Pirates. They hardly settle for less. Players that are playing there. I love the fact Uguchi, the style of play a club is brought back. It will take them the long way.
Yeah.
Well done to Wadu. Obviously, I'm calling him doubter. Slowly, I'm starting to believe.
So you're not there yet. You still.
No. I need to be out of 10 in Yamni with 7, honestly.
That's good.
Because Suno Winnie came from the bench.
Okay.
Yeah, and each and every game Pirates they're playing, whether it's Durban, Cape Town, it's like they're playing the home game. That's why people come in numbers. Very exciting team to watch. Akekho umuntu ongafuni ukubukela iPirates unless esinejive inhliziyo yakhe ayisigrand.
Sure.
Variation mshayela izandla. Pirate now they dominate each and every game they're playing. Ball circulation, ball rotation. Banama player that can hold the ball, ngikhuluma ngabo Mbule nomtetshela. Talent bathu improve umfana, coachable. As sisho akekho umuntu esibelieve ukuthi uzostart sazi. And ukudlala international football. The reason siyakwaFCON Pirates idlala indima enkulu, like it or not. We know with Sundowns they've been
World
them.
Cup as well.
Yeah, World Cup,
Yeah.
AFCON. It was Sundowns starting 7-8 players without other teams. Some the Pirates could be 2. Now Pirates about 6 players starting. So we talk about younger players, not just experienced players. And those players, they didn't spend much to them. Talent identification, whoever appointed players at Sundowns, abomqoli is behind the scene, bonabo bring aborulana mkwena upronyota budukudu keep the best of them mfana bonkotha, and then kube ne continent omunye athi wambile unkotha silethe umremi. A police signing a policy pick up to Orlando Pirates. So Pirates every time they win, they play, it's like it's obvious. Ama-team adlala low block ikutshelana. Ile nto beyenziwa ku-Sundowns before, including Sundowns when they play Orlando Pirates, they are very cautious. And ukudlala international bancedile one ukudlala ku-Champions League ukuthi bayodliwa ku-semi-final. Ibancedile because badliwe ngama-mistake wabo ku-Pyramids. Pirates they had a chance to win that tournament ukudlala ne-Sundowns mhlambe ku-final. Ukudlala kubafana bafana these World Cup games.
Qualifiers, yeah.
Yeah, sikhuluma ngama-player abonkotha yena borile. Mbokazi as well. Akusipha nenyama.
Asikhulume-ke ngombokazi. Another rumor mill that's making the rounds is that he is leaving Pirates during the transfer window now in January. He is set to go to the MLS, and the signing of that deal is rumored to be around 55 million rands. Besides the money, looking at the boy, looking at how he's been playing for Orlando Pirates, do you think it would be a good thing for him to leave and go to that particular league?
Mina Nhlanhla into engingayisho ne about our players leaving South Africa ne lento le ngihlala ngikhala ngayo Nhlanhla kakhulu ne sometimes lento le ukuthi ama player mela hambe uhamba uyapi mina
To
for
go
mina
get exposure, Michael.
yeah but mangathi uyacheka wona Nhlanhla some of this league now wana exposure na
Okay,
like
okay. The MLS, yeah.
MLS okay uzoya la mfana into azoyela lapha inyuku asesikhuluma nje iqiniso but yena football wise ukuthi uya improve that's why mina ngithi sometimes amanye ama move njengaborile bangakajaha ukama akusiza ukuthi asuke la urile odlala eAmerica, you understand akona in terms of financial hayi lapho vele izochintsha impilo but football wise America nayo uyayibona Nhlanhla lapha ama actors aduma ukudlula ama players manje uyayibona ukuthi like
No right.
enjani uthola league bathi relegate kuyadlalwa nje.
Yeah. So it wouldn't be a good thing for him.
Mina for mina personally abombokazi ngendlela adlala ngayo bekumele ngabuye kuma-league na strong bo England, Spain. Mina that's why mangifuna ama-player wethu ahambe ngifuna ibu top 5 leagues. Singathi njalo skip iplayer le Sweden.
Yeah.
Skip iplayer le kuphi.
But yeah, just to uphendula Michael, I'm not too sure Michael uqedile is done now. True. Yes, njoba shu Michael going to other leagues, it's like Axioma league that they are so exposed, and even the standard of playing, it's more favor Komela. It's just the money is different, yabo. But true njoba ngisho. Yeah, if the boy is doing well, there are teams that will be sending scouts. Kumanga Spanish. Some players in general managing, for example, Luther from Luther Singh. He went to Sweden, and then there was scouts that they were sent from Praga, Portugal, and then they signed the boy. If you good doing well, they will bring you Udlali Champions League, and down your career has changed. A petty premiership will not illicate by big that much. Yes, it's rich, but in terms of the standard of football, how many players that we send to England?
Because that's the question I was going to ask.
Yeah.
Again, we've got the derby, right? That is the most watched in the world, right?
Yeah.
However, like we're still not sending enough players abroad. And let's talk about Europe specifically. Abahambi.
Yeah.
Like sinabo lana siya producer, we see them. But akunalaba yakhona. Inkinga yethu yini kahle kahle?
Ile nto engishoyo kuwe ngithi our league I don't think is considered as competitive.
Kanjani? Why is it not
Yeah,
considered?
bona ngama resources banalisting ukuthi I know hayi bagrand yonke into and stuff.
Kushodani.
Eh
Sifike lapho sazi ukuthi okay, at least a season exporte 2 or 3 players were exported.
yeah. Hlanhla mina ngisakhala nange proper development. Lento le serious. Players who are in the world about development ungayidelete. Ngikhuluma aseke nama shortcut cut and paste. Players yes bazo performa la kuphethe premiership. There le league le mangayibheka nayo eziningi into eshota ngazo. We can't lie, the league is so rich. There's money in it. Advertisement is something else. Top notch. And ama grounds yabona improve it. Do amanya questionable. But the standard of playing, amanyama team, they just add numbers there. Some players, they can't even track properly. Technical, very poor. Amanya, yes, they're good to certain games, but the international, I don't think psychological, they are fit enough for a character. Yeah, but so development, you see players that they make it in the top. Kulama game lawa high and standard of play. In fact, those are player developed. Like serious. That's why this Brazil, Argentina, France, Morocco now recently. Morocco, Bafigu World Cup, go semi-final. Development by invest a lot, man. Mina fan development nyabalandela labo bantu. So I do research to development and invest. As kuluming I'm a cut and piece. Find people who are so knowledgeable and experienced. As kulumi maning I'm a development, but I'm a coach that knows their story. Yeah, but in South Africa, we have coaches who underrated, and in Island, we bring people as high power. Yeah, utolu by nigi job, but utolu with the less produce. But we have coaches that sitting there behind the scene, experienced coaches in terms of development. By buzz prevail, the numbers don't lie, but we overlook them. So development, I think must say development, and then seeing a big times be expected next year going to miracle. Bring right people. In terms can produce so many.
Yeah, so Zizo. So another thing that you're raising is that the reason why Singahambi la is that us competing a lot as a country.
Yeah,
AFCON, like you're saying, we hardly qualify. Si qualify this season, next season we don't qualify. World Cup, the last time we were in the World Cup is 2010 by default Nakon. And then before that it was but in 2006.
2006.
Asianga.
2002.
2002. So from 2002 to 2010, we did not qualify for a lot. And I mean, at some point, 1996, we were the champions of Africa. This time around, Michael, we were the runner. We stole bronze.
We were the champions of Africa. How many players do we have overseas? Like I'm a player. The team, when qualify with these tournaments, this is where you get the chance to put player wako. You cannot go to AFCON. That's where they are sending a scouts to player. South Africa qualify.
Zizo, on that point, Sundowns played the Club World Football, right? AFIFA. How many players were signed from Sundowns? I mean, they played well, but I've not seen or heard Uguti players so Sundowns at least get trial or at least for medical tests somewhere. They are competing. They're competing in continental pieces. I'm not talking, I mean, like, they are the team that has played majority. Bafana Bafana was made up of them as players. They are competing week in, week out, continentally, globally. They're showing up. But we've not seen much of an export happening from Sundowns players. Why is that?
Angisho manje Nhlanhla bheka iSundowns nayo okay idlalile kulontuza ku Club World Cup but mangathi uyabheka iClub World Cup njengoba bangene manje ngoba beba increase ama teams because if you check ukuze udlale ku Club World Cup you must win Champions League. How many Champions League do they have? Kule 11 years esikhuluma ngayo. But they've been consistent ku Champions League. You understand again lento le. Uthi na iClub World Cup kube bekwabantu bebazoyidlala every year. It's another different story, I understand because you must know one thing about ama European Nhlanhla. Ngidlalile ngale kakhulu Nhlanhla abantu laba imali yabo abaveli bamane basayine la. Ngiyaba ngakubukela namhlanje bakubone ku tournament and then ngaba nama scout angakulandela mhlambe unyaka wona solo kungabuni babhizi basakubukela bakubukela uyangi-understand ayifani nala eMzansi ukuthi ungavela manje ushise manje bakuthathe manje akhona ama-player abazowathatha kanjani mara bayakulandela ndlandla bakulandela abaveli nje bakhipha imali nje labantu laba because number one ngitshele e-France ndlandla bengibukela i-under 6 mangabukela under 6 yabafana under 6 ubabukele ngama-weekend besithi masingadlali ngibabukele nokuhalela ngithi ngikube bokwama-South African ndlandla imagine thina ngale raw talent yethu esinayo la e-South Africa imagine nje ukuthi uqala ukudevelop at the age of 6 ukwazi ukukhahlela at the age of 6 imagine umuntu 13 or 14 so sithola ama-player njani that's why ubheke ekhantrini kakhulu asibi nama-ready made ama-player sesene-17 e-South Africa usesemncane 18 samele adlale kubo-TDC mina for mina masodlala i-TDC you should be ready to play in the first team
mina uRibery uvayile ngayo leyo tournament. I think imncedile itswede they saw him. That's why the Fluminense they wemfuna. Mdao, there was the rumor that he's leaving. Though bekaya kwenye country obvious, which is Saudi Arabia, as much as I heard. Obviously the deal fell through. But their tournament, I think asakhulumela Sundowns. Ilethe respect to South Africa globally, ngikhuluma South Africa. Other scouts, I think they by notice. So with these people, if they bring such players internationally, Bonabo Ribeiro, and also South African players, Sundowns played very well with their tournament. Lomfita lo umkwena did very well. Everybody, ngikhuluma Sundowns playing against Dortmund, abantu abashabo ma 4-5 teams, nil or 5-1, 4-0, top class European players. And then against Sundowns, uthola ukuthi yamakha iDortmund yabo igame iba close with their mistakes at Sundowns and then got punished. Sundowns did very well noma ngabe azange ba progress mhlawumbe ukuya kuphi. As uMichael asho, mina ngisazobe go back kule way development. Yabona lento le yanhlanhla masingayithatha serious, ayidayiding serious kakhulu. Yamuzwa he speak about under 6 Europeans and true it's a fact in fact. Like mawukhuluma mina ngifan kaKhan yazwayi leyo baba like gimbe ka ubaba mangidlala ku development is like bengingcosi yakhe bengiyendlini ngishaya research ngihlale naye yabo and ifana no Ted is ngiyazi students akho for bengimbuza mina ama question ukuthi why these guys Brazilian ngifene Brazil from dala athi these kids laba chita laba they are ahead of everyone, they take development like they invest a lot in development. They don't settle for less. Brazil I had to Farouk Angel at the age of 4. That's where they started Brazil. Development. And at the early age, their players, these Barcelona people about Madrid, they send scout for them. But Atlanta, even thing is showing back. Can we develop players? Can we find people that can experience and knowledgeable, hype that can develop? Then things are very, very easy, and we can qualify this way. Well done to Pirates and Sundowns. As coming Pirates, it can in the main goal, mind. Ni AFCON singafil, and also nagu AFCON and World Cup, and also the Sundowns played effect and in the main goal because there was a continuity from. I mean, nagu were unfortunate not to win the previous. AFCON was playing semi-final and ngama penalty. So yeah, well done. Nobody was a build up all the like ukuzakanje between Pirates and Sundowns shayizandla mfethu and yeah.
Okay. All right. I think we'll follow up istory saka Mbukazi to actually see if he is going to leave, and if so, next time when we are sitting like this, sizokhuluma ukuthi mangabe vele uyahamba njengoba we'll just follow up on that and see if he does leave, which players would be able to, best fit the shoes. And well done to Pirates, man, for discovering such talent, because really that boy is a rare gem. And yeah, to the rest of the team, we will come back next week and talk about what is next in the Betway Premiership, what is next in the world of football. Thank you so much for giving us your time, and thank you for liking, subscribing, and liking our comment. Remember to bet with the best, #WBS, #World Sports Betting, and that is how we wrap up the show. Danko.